Under the bold and visionary leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, India has already taken tremendous actions and initiatives to tackle the global collective action problem of climate change, including inter alia, setting up of International Solar Alliance, Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure, domestic renewable energy target to 450 gigawatt by 2030, and continuing efforts to decouple its emissions from economic growth. As a United Nations Champions of the Earth awardee for policy leadership, the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji is a statesman who not only recognizes, knows and understands the enormous benefits of climate action, but also he acts with enormous energy to make this change. And this leadership today is more necessary than ever, not only for India, but for the whole world.
आज भारत को ये संकल्प लेना होगा कि हम आजादी के 100 साल होने से पहले भारत को एनर्जी इंडिपेंडेंट बनाएंगे। भारत आज जो भी कार्य कर रहा है उसमें सबसे बड़ा लक्ष्य है जो भारत को क्लाइमेट क्षेत्र में क्वांटम जंप देने वाला है, वो है ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन का क्षेत्र। ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन के क्षेत्र के लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति के लिए मैं आज इस तिरंगे की साक्षी में नेशनल हाइड्रोजन मिशन की घोषणा कर रहा हूं। अमृतकाल में हमें भारत को ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन के प्रोडक्शन और एक्सपोर्ट का ग्लोबल हब बनाना है। ये ऊर्जा के क्षेत्र में भारत की उसको आत्मनिर्भर बढ़ाएगा और पूरे विश्व में क्लीन एनर्जी ट्रांजिशन की नई प्रेरणा भी बनेगा।
This will not only help India to make a new progress in the field of energy self-reliance, but will also become a new inspiration for clean energy transition all over the world. The International Climate Summit 2021, powering India's hydrogen ecosystem, is a progressive step to achieve the objective set by the Honorable Prime Minister to make India a global hub for green hydrogen production and export. Conceived by Dr. J.P. Gupta, Chairman EAC Industry, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India, ICS 2021 is an initiative of the Environment Committee of PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry. As a precursor to the COP26 scheduled during November 2021 at Glasgow, the International Summit is bringing together policymakers, regulators, Nobel laureates, industry titans, experts, scientists, and over 25,000 stakeholders from across the world to discussions on all related topics, propelling India as a key player in the global hydrogen economy. The summit agenda includes release of a special knowledge book titled Self-Reliant India, Harnessing the Power of Hydrogen by the Indo-Norwegian Alliance, the launch of the National Hydrogen Portal, recommendations on the formation of an International Hydrogen Alliance, similar to the International Solar Alliance, and the setting up of Centers of Excellence in select universities across India that will assist building to a strong knowledge base and R&D, fostering global collaboration in establishing sustainable routes for production, storage, transportation, distribution of hydrogen. The summit would also provide a host of commercial opportunities, including securing joint venture, technology, supply chain, or international funding partners for production, storage, transportation and distribution. A catalytic moment presenting the next generation clean energy opportunities. The summit is dedicated to achieving the Honorable Prime Minister's recently announced target of achieving 100% self-reliance in energy by 2047.